Welcome everyone. Question on acids and bases. Which is a Bronsted acid as well as the Bronsted base? Choices are A. Cl minus, B. CO3 2 minus, C. NH4 plus, D. HCO3 minus. Answer is D. HCO3 minus. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the HCO3 minus. When HCO3 minus releases a proton, the residue is CO3 2 minus, which is the conjugate base of the acid HCO3 minus. Again, when HCO3 minus accepts a proton, the resulting species is H2CO3, which is the conjugate acid of the base HCO3 minus. Therefore, HCO3 minus is a Bronsted acid as well as the Bronsted base. Thank you for watching this video.